Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, where I review the coolest and most innovative products on the market. Today, I have something really special for you. It's the Qinux Telefan, the ultimate 4-in-1 rechargeable portable fan for the hottest summer yet. Now, you might be thinking, a fan? Really? That's so boring and basic. Well, think again, because this is not your ordinary fan. This is a fan that can do it all. It can cool you down, light up your space, hang from anywhere, and fold into a compact size. It's like a Swiss Army knife of fans. Let me show you how it works. First of all, this fan is rechargeable via USB, so you don't have to worry about batteries or cords. Just plug it in and charge it up for 4 to 6 hours, and then you're good to go for up to 10 hours of continuous use. That's more than enough time to survive a heat wave or a power outage. Secondly, this fan is powerful and silent. It has 3 speed settings to suit your preference, and it uses a revolutionary rotor technology that makes it extremely quiet. You won't hear any annoying buzzing or whirring noises while you're trying to relax or sleep. Thirdly, this fan is portable and versatile. It has a foldable design that allows you to adjust the angle and size of the fan according to your needs. You can use it as a desk fan, a handheld fan, a clip-on fan, or even a ceiling fan. Yes, you heard me right, a ceiling fan. How? Well, this fan has a built-in hook on the back that lets you hang it from anywhere. You can attach it to a tent, a tree branch, a lamppost, or whatever else you can think of. And guess what? This fan also has a light function with 3 brightness levels, so you can use it as a lamp as well as a fan. This is perfect for camping outdoors at night, or for creating some ambiance in your room. You can set the mood with some soft lighting and a gentle breeze, or you can crank up the brightness and the speed for some party vibes. And lastly, this fan is easy to store and transport. It folds into a compact size that fits in your backpack, purse, or pocket. You can take it with you anywhere and enjoy a cool breeze anytime. So there you have it, guys. The Qinux Telefan is the ultimate 4-in-1 rechargeable portable fan that will make your summer more bearable and enjoyable. It's powerful, portable, versatile, and easy to use. If you want to get your hands on one of these amazing fans before they sell out, then click on the link in the description below and order yours today with a 50% discount. Trust me, you won't regret it. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this review of the Qinux Telefan. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome product reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.